these videos, I'll be sharing all the special 3-4 companies which will be a bullish market in coming months or weeks or in tomorrow. Or you can say this is the stocks which has been out from DB house. My clients who has already been traded with me are in huge profit since 1 year. So my recommend stocks never goes wrong. But these 3 stocks, you can also do technical analysis, but before doing technical analysis, I will explain why you should buy these stocks with solid valid reason. First, take it. Dr. Reddy. Dr. Reddy, I have been recommend for you to buy for both long term as well as short term. Dr. Reddy, NSE or BSE. But it's a cash market, okay, not in future and option. I am giving the recommend stocks for delivery. Cash market. I suggest Dr. Reddy because in this particular year, pharmaceutical company has been showing rapid growth and there is an upward trend going on since 1-2 months. As Dr. Reddy is also collaborate with 1 or 2 company of foreign. So with the help of this, Dr. Reddy has a strong portfolio as well as strong upward trend showing in these coming months. So my target for Dr. Reddy is 5,300. Maybe it will be 5,200 also, but it will show some bullish market in this coming months. Next, my recommend stocks is UPL. And believe me friends, these stocks I have recommend today at 2 p.m. People has got only 10 minutes and they have book profit of around 4 to 5% or they book profit around 3% and more. This is the correction. People get afraid. Why? The company has gone down. Today you have seen the UPL has gone down at 13% down. But this is a correction. This is not a downfall of the company. Second reason UPL has gone down due to the rumors, false rumors goes down. But as the technical analysis as well as the some source person and Z business as well as the media has confirmed it that it has not been true. So after that it has been rise. We have seen some rise in 1 to 3 or 4%. So don't worry in future this stock will go higher. And the person who has already booked this profit, congrats to them for being traded with DB Stockhouse. Third, my recommend stock is ISEL. It's called Indian Security. ICCI Securities. Okay, it's not Indian, sorry. ICCI Securities. This will be upward movement for the short term stocks. It is not a long term, it is short term. You can go for ISEL. So these are the 3 companies you can go, as well as if you believe me or if you have fund in your portfolio, you can get a 4th company that is called Maruti. This Maruti will go high in coming 1-2 months as the Maruti car price will go high in January, which means the company will book some huge profit as well as the company will acquire a nice turnover in Q1, Q2 result. That is January, February, March, that is April. So if people want to invest for 3-4 months, Maruti is very good company for your profit booking. So these are the 4 companies you can buy from me. But as I said earlier, please do technical analysis. Don't go what I am saying. If you know for trading, if you know technical analysis, do technical analysis, make some experiments and show that these companies, is it going for upward movement? So if you don't know how to do technical analysis, you can watch my earlier videos which has been explained in both languages, Assamese and English. So this is my small videos. Tomorrow I will be coming with some candlesticks and all, explaining again in technical fundamental analysis. Tar majote moi koi jam aru bahut videos banam jot hikai jam kenekor dhoroner ki koribo lage. Kunuba jodi Guwahatit ase ba kunuba jodi Assamot ase, nearest to my office Ulubari kakhot kunuba thake, please welcome to my office. Yar ahi hiki jaok, live telecast moi dekham keneke ki hoy, actually stock market to chole karone. Thank you for watching my videos. Please do like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.